How to use our flavouring vials. You have two options. First, you can prepare your samples by the glass, which I'll demonstrate first. But you can also prepare them by the bottle, which I'll demonstrate second. Pick a neutral flavoured red wine. I'm using a Merlot based blend here, but you could also use something like a Côte du Rhône. You want to pour yourself as many glasses as you have flavourings, plus an additional one, which we'll use as an unchanged reference wine. Make sure your wine samples are more or less 50 ml, because that's what the pipette is adjusted to. The size of the glasses doesn't matter too much. You could use larger ones as long as you're using identical glasses for all samples. Now pick up the flavouring vial, gently squeeze the top of the vial. That will make sure the liquid is being pulled up into the pipette. Now open it and you'll squeeze it again, and that will release the liquid into the wine. Put the pipette back in. And then you'll swirl the wine for a little bit. It will take about 2 minutes for the flavor to fully dissolve. In the meantime, you can go ahead and prepare the rest of your samples. You'll notice there's still plenty of flavoring liquid left in the vial. One vial can be used up to 15 times to spike a single glass. Now we can start using the samples. I'm going to smell them, but they're also safe to taste. You will want to keep these vials refrigerated, or even better, in the freezer. Now for the second option, which is preparing the samples by the bottle, simply unscrew the bottle cap of the wine, and then you're going to open the vial and ignore the pipette. Just empty the entire contents of the vial into the wine bottle. So put the closure back on, put the cap back on, and then make a single inversion of the wine bottle to make sure the contents are mixed. This will take about 2 minutes for the flavor to fully dissolve, and then you can carry on with pouring from the bottle into your wine glasses. This is a great option if you're tasting in a group of up to 15 people.